Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT understands you? Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT understands you? Let's dive into the world of AI and reveal its magic. ChatGPT is built on a deep learning model called a transformer. This model is known as OpenAI's GPT, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. But what does all that mean? First, let's break it down. The GPT model learns from vast amounts of text data. This data comes from books, websites, and other public sources. During training, the model digests this information and learns patterns. It understands grammar, facts, and reasoning abilities. ChatGPT even learns different writing styles while training. So, how does this learning happen? The transformer uses attention mechanisms to focus on keywords. It analyzes relationships between words in any given context. This way, it generates responses that make sense according to your input. Imagine having a conversation with a knowledgeable friend. That's exactly how ChatGPT interacts with you. Let's see a quick example. If you ask about the weather, ChatGPT recalls weather patterns. It provides a response based on the context of your conversation. In summary, ChatGPT is a powerful tool based on the transformer architecture. It learns from diverse data, enabling it to understand language efficiently. Now you see how this technology works behind the scenes. Ready to explore ChatGPT yourself? Try asking a question and witness the magic.